Hi guys, today we talk about how can you finish your city tax on your app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just click here on review here, click on it. So then it's going to show for us this list. You click here on review here. So then if you want to, let's finish your city. I add here New York. So if you want to finish New York, here tax or delete your city return here. So here can you choose if you want to add it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. If you want to click here on let's get started here, just waiting to open with you. So then here can you add another city here if you want, and here can you finish it or delete it here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.